Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Git in Mark M3. Whether you are a developer or just getting started with version control, Git is an essential tool which you need it in your toolkit. So let's dive in and see how to install Git. To install Git, you will go and search git was install in Chrome. So you can see the first one, click on this download, you can see, and here it shows option for Mac, Windows and Linux. So click on Mac. So here it is showing straightforward. This command is there, brew. Using brew you can directly install the Git, which is very straightforward. So I generally prefer brew. So if you want to see how to install brew, if you don't have brew in your MacBook install, you can go and check my old video. So to install the brew, install the Git using brew, so you need to type the command brew install Git and it will start installing the Git. Now you can see now Git is installed. Whether we have to see whether Git is installed or not. So we have to type Git --version. So now it will show the version. So it means that Git is installed. So there is other way if you do not want to follow using brew. So you can directly go here and click on installer, and you can see here is download option there. You can do it in manually. You can download the Git. So it will be downloaded. It will be after some time. It will be downloaded. It will be there in your download folder. So you can go there and click it and install it. You can see now download is complete. Now you have to click on this and you can install and Git, and Git in version library cannot be opened because it is from unidentified developer. Okay, so it is unidentified. It is from unidentified developer. For that to allow, you need to go to system preference. Then you need to go. You need to go security and privacy. There you can go and you can see it is showing Git 2.1.5 was blocked. You can click on open anyway, so it will start installing. You can use password and you can install it. So I have already installed, so I'm not installing it as I have already installed through brew, which is my preferred installation. Yeah, thanks for watching.